Hello students, today we'll do worksheet 52 which is on quadrilaterals. Now all of you know that what is a quadrilateral? It is a four-sided closed figure. And what is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. So now let us do one theorem for a parallelogram, which is a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Now let us try to do this. Consider this parallelogram ABCD. Now here we have taken one diagonal AC of this parallelogram, which is dividing this parallelogram into two triangles, as you can see here, triangle ADC and triangle CBA. Now we will try to prove that these two triangles are congruent, and for that we have four criteria of congruencies, and we will see whether any of these is applicable in for these two triangles. So now we are considering the two triangles, triangle ADC and triangle CBA. Now here we have AD equals to BC. Why? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So AD is equals to BC. Similarly, DC and AB are also opposite sides of this parallelogram. So these are also equal. So for the same reason, DC is equals to AB. And AC is common in both the triangles. So AC is equals to AC. So by SSS congruency criterion, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. So now diagonal AC divides parallelogram ABCD into two congruent triangles. Now let us do one activity for the above theorem. Here we have cut a parallelogram ABCD out of paper, and we have taken a diagonal BD of this parallelogram. Now we will fold this parallelogram along the diagonal BD and see whether these two triangles which we have got, that is triangle ABD and triangle CDB, whether these two cover each other completely or not. And if they cover each other completely, then it means that these are congruent to each other. So now let us fold these two, this parallelogram along this diagonal BD. Now when we do this, we see that these two triangles completely cover each other, and this shows that a diagonal is dividing this parallelogram into two congruent triangles.